Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt weaker than you did a year ago? Maybe your arms feel thinner, your legs a little less steady, or your energy just isn't what it used to be. If you're over 60 and living in the United States, this isn't just normal aging. It could be a silent health condition millions face but rarely talk about, sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. Now here's the surprising part. What if I told you that simply adding one natural, powerful ingredient to your morning cup of coffee could dramatically slow down, and even reverse, muscle loss? Yes, that same cup of coffee you sip every morning could become your secret weapon against aging muscles. In today's video, we're going to reveal this little-known ingredient, backed by science, that thousands of American seniors are now turning to for more strength, stability, and youthful energy. We'll walk you through how it works, how to use it, and why it's helping men and women over 60 reclaim their vitality. Stick around to the end, because not only will we uncover the ingredient, but we'll also share a simple 3-minute morning muscle ritual you can do right at home. Let's dive in. The silent muscle thief after 60. Let's start with what's really happening inside your body after you turn 60. Your muscle mass isn't just gradually shrinking, it's being stolen. This thief has a name, sarcopenia. After the age of 30, we begin to lose about 3 to 8% of muscle mass per decade. After 60, this rate accelerates dramatically. By the time many seniors reach 70 or 80, they may have lost up to 50% of their muscle strength. That's not just about looking toned, it affects every single thing you do. Walking, climbing stairs, lifting groceries, getting out of bed. And here's the heartbreaking part, most seniors aren't even aware it's happening until it's too late. It creeps in quietly, disguised as normal aging. But we now know better. And more importantly, we can fight back. How muscle loss affects seniors in America. Let's take a moment to bring this home to real life in the U.S. In cities across America, from Tampa to Portland, seniors are finding daily tasks more challenging. A report by the National Institutes of Health shows that nearly 1 in 3 seniors suffers from sarcopenia. For many, this means Number 1, falling more frequently. Number 2, losing the independence to live alone. Number 3, a drop in confidence to go out, socialize, or travel. And a reduction in overall lifespan. Muscle is more than movement. It's also tied to your immune system, your metabolism, and even brain function. That's why today's simple coffee trick is so important. Why coffee is the perfect delivery tool. Before we reveal the ingredient, you may be wondering, why coffee? Coffee is one of the most consumed beverages in America, especially by seniors. Over 65% of adults over 60 drink at least 1 cup of coffee every day. It's a ritual. A habit. A moment of peace in the morning. And that's what makes it so powerful. By simply adding a specific nutrient to your already existing habit, you don't have to create a new routine. You just upgrade what you're already doing. Now let's talk about that secret weapon. The secret ingredient, collagen protein. Here it is, the ingredient that could transform your morning brew into a muscle-restoring miracle. Collagen protein. Specifically, hydrolyzed collagen peptides derived from grass-fed bovine or wild marine sources. Here's why it works. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. It makes up a large part of your muscles, tendons, ligaments, and skin. As we age, collagen production plummets, leading to muscle loss, joint pain, and sagging skin. By supplementing with collagen, especially in the morning when your body is primed for nutrient absorption, you can boost muscle recovery, increase protein synthesis, and rebuild strength. Studies show that seniors who consume collagen along with resistance training experience significantly greater muscle growth and fat loss compared to those who don't. The science behind collagen and muscle recovery. Let's dig a little deeper into the science, for those who want proof. In a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition, 53 elderly men with sarcopenia were split into two groups. One group took 15 g of collagen peptides daily while doing light resistance training. The other group did the same training but without collagen. After 12 weeks, the collagen group gained twice as much muscle. They lost more fat and reported better joint mobility and strength. This isn't just theory, it's proven, peer-reviewed science. How to add collagen to your coffee? Now you might be asking, how exactly do I add this to my coffee? It's simple. Brew your favorite cup of coffee, black, espresso, or with a splash of milk. Add 1 to 2 scoops of unflavored hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Stir until fully dissolved. Most collagen powders are tasteless and dissolve easily. And just like that, you've turned your daily cup into a muscle-building powerhouse. Do this every morning for 4 to 6 weeks, and many seniors report better posture, improved stamina, less joint pain, and even firmer-looking skin. Real stories from American seniors. Let's meet some real people who made this change. Susan from Ohio, 67 years old. I started adding collagen to my coffee every morning. Within a month, my arms didn't feel as flabby, and I could get up from the floor without struggling. It's such a small change, but it's changed my life. James from Texas, 72. I've been active all my life, but I noticed I was losing strength. Adding collagen helped me feel stronger during my walks, and even my doctor said my muscle mass improved. This isn't just hype. It's happening all across the country. Combine with this simple 3-minute muscle ritual. Want to take it one step further? Pair your collagen coffee with this quick 3-minute morning ritual. 30 seconds of bodyweight squats. 30 seconds of arm circles or light resistance band pulls. 1 minute of gentle stretching, hamstrings, quads, back. 1 minute of deep breathing and standing tall. This helps activate the muscles and improve blood flow, so the nutrients from your coffee go straight to your tissues. Other benefits of collagen for seniors. Aside from rebuilding muscles, collagen also helps with joint lubrication and pain relief, improved skin elasticity, faster wound healing, bone density support, gut health and digestion. That's why many seniors report sleeping better, moving easier, and even feeling more youthful after using it consistently. Where to find quality collagen? Not all collagen is created equal. Here's what to look for. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides, easier to absorb. Type 1 and 3 collagen for skin and muscles. Sourced from grass-fed or marine sources. Free from artificial additives or fillers. Brands like Vital Proteins, Great Lakes, or Sports Research are popular choices among seniors in the U.S. You can find these online or in health stores like Whole Foods, Sprouts, or even major retailers like Walmart and Costco. A final note, it's never too late. Here's the truth, it's never too late to start building back your strength. Whether you're 60, 70, or 85, your body still responds to the right nutrients and movements. This simple daily addition, just collagen in your coffee, could be the difference between frailty and freedom, between dependence and dignity. So tomorrow morning, as you sip your coffee, ask yourself, am I giving my body the tools it needs to stay strong? Because with every sip, you're not just waking up. You're waking up your muscles, your confidence, your power. Stay strong, stay active, and keep living life on your terms. Summary.